I wanna hear you say that you only want me. Oh.
Hey guys, and welcome back to this week's video. So as you guys know, I am a huge fan of Christian Louboutin. They have a brand new store which opened about a month ago, and all of the styles are 40% off. So I'm gonna go inside, and I'm hoping that this is not gonna be one of those I've been kicked out of better stores than this type of video. This is a Christian Louboutin outlet in Sawgrass. Everything is 40% off. The reason why you're getting the shoes at a discount is because these are shoes that are brought in from older collections. They have shoes for men and women, but that's not it. They also have bags, they have seasonal shoes. There's just a little bit of everything to choose from. In the store, you're going to find sandals, you're going to find sneakers, you're going to find heels, you're going to find boots. But something I did notice is that like my size is a size 6 and they didn't have my size in several of the shoes. What they did tell me is that they get inventory every single Wednesday. And this is the only Christian Louboutin outlet in Florida, not to say the largest in the United States. As I told you guys, this store is in Sawgrass. That is about an hour from Miami, and my recommendation would be not to Uber from Miami, but to rent a car instead, or to drive in your own car and get there. There is a huge parking garage where you could park, because by the outlets, it gets pretty busy and there are no parking spaces most of the time. When you get to the store, keep this in mind. There's always a line to go in. There's someone at the door who allows for people to go in as more people leave. The shoes are displayed in the same way as in the original Christian Louboutin boutique. This, by the way, is a huge outlet. So now a little bit of information on Sawgrass as you watch. This is one of the largest, if not the largest outlet mall in the United States. The Christian Louboutin outlet is on the outside of the mall. That's where they have brands like Carolina Herrera, they have Gucci, Ted Baker, Jimmy Choo. These are just a few of the outlets that they have, but everything that is sold is brand new. So I'm not gonna lie, they were very, very nice inside the store. There's a bunch of salespeople in there. They're like super sweet and they're always asking you if you need anything. So service is a plus. I love it. The store is very neat and it does give you the idea that you're inside a Christian Louboutin boutique. It has the red carpet, and something that I noticed is that the shoes are brought in with their own original box. Something else that I noticed is that they don't have every size available for every shoe. They do get shipment every Wednesday, but they don't have, like there's a style that I liked in specific and they didn't have my size. They only had size 10, and the last time that I was here, they had a size 5. So now that I'm here with you guys, I want to show you a little bit of the mall. And if you're coming with your family or if you're coming for yourself, of course you're gonna wanna eat something. So I'm gonna show you guys a restaurant. It's an Italian restaurant that I come here to eat that I love. And I'm also going, that's Sandy. So this is the Suspect. It's next to this restaurant and it's by this entrance which leads to the mall. This is the Italian restaurant. Let me show you guys the menu. They have like a little patio right there where you can sit. And then they have the indoor. So this is the menu. They have appetizers. They're okay, it's not a bad price. Then they have the salad, but who comes to an Italian restaurant to eat salad? They have soups, which are divine. And then this is today's special. This is a cheeseburger. Oof. Carpaccio, like that's the best thing you could eat. Okay. Okay, and then I think that on the other side, this is where they have the pastas. Risotto, I had this the last time that I came, and then they have the meats, fish if you're a pescatarian like me. They have pizza, chicken.
You can call my name and I'll come running back to you.